This is Tomy's Funny Football playset.
This is a clamshell that you open up. As we open it up, we see there are two football players, the yellow-red team and the blue and silver team. And then we have this little football. You take the clamshell, you flip it over, and look, there's your gridiron right there. Just match up the colors, blue on blue, yellow-red on yellow-red, and then you put the football in the middle. It's more soccer than football, really, because they are kicking the ball, which is really what football is, right? Which seems to say to me that this was definitely made for the US market and not a European market. When I got this, we didn't have the rules. We just figured we'd make them up as we went along. The way we would play is the first time you go out, it's whoever kicks the ball into the end zone that wins. But it's basically just a grudge match to kick the football. On further turns, you would turn over the ball to the other team and they'd start on their 20 and they'd have an advantage to kick the ball. They'd get 4 downs. All right, so red's got the advantage there. Red has possession. What we usually do is put red at the ball, 10 yards away is the opponent, and then we let him go again. All right, touchdown. Touchdown, red. So now possession goes to blue. We would just count it as 1 point. Blue starts with the ball on their 20, and red has to start from their end zone. So giving blue the advantage in offense here. The most important thing to do is to have rules that you both agree on when you play this, and just let them have at it. We've had this game forever, and it just keeps coming back out.
This was just one of 7 sets that Tomy made. Do you want to see them all? Check out this video for the complete 7 sets.